Does it happen you feel tired without any reason? Well, if it does, then it is not physical. It is due to low energy. Hi friends, welcome back to Sandy's Reiki Care. In today's video, I'll guide you through a simple energy cleansing routine using natural and holistic methods. No complicated rituals, just pure practical healing you can do daily. Well, friends, what do I mean by saying energy cleansing? It is the process of removing negative or stagnant energy from body and mind. Just like we bathe our body daily, our energy field also needs cleansing. When energy gets blocked, you may feel low in mood, you may feel anxious, you have fatigue, you have lack of focus. But the good news is you can reset it naturally. Friends, whatever the signs which tell you that it is time for energy cleansing, when you feel drained after meeting people, constantly overthinking, feeling heavy in the chest, having low motivation. If this resonates with your feelings, then this routine will help you. Do make a note of every step that I'm going to share. But before that, a quick reminder to share and subscribe to Sandy's Reiki Care, where you see such empowering videos. So friends, step 1 is start your day with box breathing exercise. For doing this, first sit comfortably with your spine erect. Now close your eyes and inhale to the count of 4, hold to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 4 and hold to the count of 4. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes in the morning. When you inhale, be aware of taking in positive energy. And when you exhale, feel stress and negativity leaving your body. This is your first step. Step 2, you will do fire cleansing. In this, you will light a candle or diya. Now gaze softly at the flame and visualize the fire burning away all negative energy around you. Fire is a powerful natural purifier. Now comes step 3. You need to do space clearing. Clap your hands gently or ring a bell in every room of the house. Sound vibrations break stagnant energy. You can also open windows to allow fresh air to circulate. This clears emotional heaviness instantly. Now comes step 4. Reset water. That is, wash your hands, your face, or you can take a quick shower. Water absorbs negative energy and refreshes your aura. By washing, mentally say, I release all negativity. I'm full of positivity now. Now comes step 5, which is the gratitude you need to show. Place your hands on your heart and say silently, I am calm, protected, and full of positive energy. I am calm, protected, and full of positive energy. Say this 3 to 5 times. Gratitude raises your vibrations instantly. So, friends, practice this daily or even after any stressful situations that you face. Small habits create powerful healing results. So, if you found this helpful, friends, do like, share, and subscribe to Sandy's Reiki Care for more such holistic healing videos. Thanks for watching and bye for now. Stay blessed.